Hi everyone, and welcome back. This is our new tutorial. We're going to show you how to use PLC Sim. As you can see, I've just pressed open the software. We're going to go back to our previous program. This is a compact version of PLC Sim that you'll first open. There you can choose 1200 or 1500. There's another version for 300 and 400. This is for 1200 and 1500 version PLC Sim. You can also expand it to open a bigger project. Here we'll open our previous program, which we program using version 16 Tia portal. As you can see, this is another way of opening your project, your already existing projects. Now I've expanded my PLC Sim. As you can see from here, you can basically do the same thing as you can do on the compact version. You have your run, start, stop. You also have your start simulation there. You also have your settings. If you want to start opening from the bigger project view or a compact view, you can choose there between a project compact view or bigger or project view. That way you can just switch on if you want to open a new window. We'll close there. As you can, I've clicked at the project before, so we'll just click project view at the bottom to open our project on TA portal, opening our program, which is a start stop for a pump, just switching it on and off. As you can see, we'll open our text. There are basically three ways to work on your PLC Sim. You can export your text here. Those are other functions that you can do to add text or to simulate them. There I will go there and create a text table. I'll show you later how it will work on our PLC Sim text table. I always like to work with the text table to make things easier, and it's better to have it saved somewhere. You can always update it as you go along with your program or your project. From here, just press OK. Since I've selected my file location, it's exported successfully. There you can import your text. Also, you can see there, those are the texts I've currently have on the running project. So now we'll open our main OP1. This is our program, ladder logic program. Those are your system constant, global text or local text. I'll just close it to have more screen and more viewing. Use those two arrows down there to drop it down or up. We'll use it at a later stage of our tutorials. So this is our project. Just switch on starts, then the return will switch on, and it will keep your pump on. So to start our simulation, you can just press there to start your CPU. That is one of the ways to start it. You can also just go online, and then you can also go to simulator, then just press start. You can also start CPU, those are some of the ways that you can do it. You can also go online there. But for me, I just press my CPU and then right click on it and then go there to start simulator. This is the best way for me. So to tell you that if you start your simulator, then you won't be able to use a physical PLC to also connect to the physical PLC. That is okay. So this will take some time since we are trying to connect. So nowadays your simulator is open, the compact version. As you can see there, it's loading next to your power button. The power button is green now. You can press it and switch it off. As you can see, run is orange. The power button is green. You can press it to switch it off. That means your CPU is online now. It's just loading. And run is orange. Just waiting for you to load your CPU. It's still running at the background. There it says pop it up. Compiling. It's compiling the CPU to your PLC Sim software. It's a very useful software if you are running a project at home where you don't have your hardware program, PLC. Okay, now that one is just for you to, if you have your function blocks, if you keep it there, then it will run your function block without you having to do some additional information and or more configuration. So you can choose no action, but I'll choose start simulator. You can also just press run there if you say no action. You can do it in both ways. So now you can see the simulator runs or stop is green. So you can press there to go online, or you can also press the online on the drop down menu. I've just pressed it insect instead of online. It's not that bad. Okay, so you press online, and you can also press that online, go online. You can also go to your CPU. You can see, you can also press go online there. So I'll just use the one on your media. As you can see, if you have problem, it will show orange or it will show red, and then it should give you information at the compilation screen down there at the bottom. So everything is fine for now. So let's go to our PLC Sim. You can also open your goggles there to go online with your simulation. As you can see, now we're online. The blue line, it's for 0 bit, and the green line, it's for high bit, which is 1. This means we are on. Green is on, blue is off. That's basically it. So we'll press that expand on to expand our compact to show you now how to add your text on your PLC Sim. This is another way, but you can, if you like, there's another way to go to simulate your project without even going to PLC Sim for simulation. But for now, we'll do it the beginner's way. As we go on, we'll show you the other way. So this is your previous screen that you have opened it before. As you can see now, the run is green, So you can press stop there if you want to stop. You can also press the power button that is going to switch off the online simulation. You can also press stop there at the top, and you can also press start there at the top. Now you just press the open project to create a new project. You have to create a separate project for PLC Sim, since it's a software on its own. It has its own project. So just type it YouTube for our project, same as the one that we have opened it on our TIA portal, which is also YouTube. I've done this just for these tutorials. So we are still online on our project. As you can see, the start button is still not pressed. We are still off. So we're still compiling our project this side. It should take some few minutes. The software really needs you to have just a bigger RAM. I'm currently on 16 gig RAM. That's why my program is a bit sluggish. Most of Siemens projects, they really take a toll on your RAM. As you can see, the compiling of my project is about to finish. You can also see down there at the bottom, it will show you the status. You can see it says running and then it's finished loading. Since it's still British, it's still compiling your project. It's checking for all the errors. It will show you down there if there's an error. It will give you the error code, of which you can use the help menu there at the top to check for it, or you can quickly search it online if you have an error. So now it's finished. You can see that it's green. That means your CPU it's configured with your PLC Sim. Same thing as when you're configuring the PLC and your CPU. So now just open the Sim text. From here, you can import your text. Remember those texts we created, you can import them from here. But if you already online with your project, and you have projects already existing, this will be a long way for you. So you can also just click that one for loading the project text. As you can see, our project text are there. I like to use the other one when I'm constantly updating my text. Then I'll just import those texts, because now the large project text, it's always load text on top of the other text. Okay, so put everything in place there so that it's easier to view. So okay, we've pressed our goggles that side, we are online. So now just press run, start simulation. As you can see, now we are online. So we can start our simulation here. So what we will do, just to change the bits for the start stop, since those are our inputs currently. Still going to expand these projects. So just change that bit from false to true. As you can see on your left, the project now it's green everywhere, which means we are high. And then the retainer is on. As you can see on the bottom, your pump is running on network 2. Your pump is running. So since we are using retain push button, so just switch off the stop, and you can see that's why we use a retainer, just to keep our pumper on every time we press it start, since it will retain its inputs. And then you can press stop there, it will stop your pump. As you can see, our pump is stopped. Even if you press start, it won't start, because then you press off stop, then it starts, and then you press off your retainer, it's still the retainer. You press off start, and then the retainer will keep your pump on. That's basically it. And you stop the simulation. We'll continue on the next video. Then you switch off there by just switching off the simulation from your goggles. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe for more. On the next video, I'll be showing you more in terms of programming, now with connecting with Profinet or Profibus. This is your physical PLC. I'll be showing you on how to connect it to a physical PLC with different communication protocols. For today's quiz will be, what is the difference between Profibus and Profinet? Please write your answer on the comment section, and please check the links below for more of my videos. Thank you.